Hello everybody, it's me Owen again, and I'm going to be showing you how to make two paper airplanes that fly pretty well. Well, I should say pretty good. So, you'll need two sheets of paper, and if you have one of these, a little grid, then you should bring that out. So the first plane we are going to be making is, I don't personally know the name, but it has no center crease, and it's a pretty good glider. So, and if you hear that TV in the back, don't worry about it. It's my dad watching TV. This is the only place I could pick. And then my little dog Coco over here. Oh, Coco. Okay, let's get in. So you want to fold that. Okay, you probably know. Fold the corner over to the other side, and then it'll end up like this. Remember, this fold, it was like this, but then you folded it like this. And then unfold, do the same on the other side. When you're done with that, flip it over. Press in the middle of the X and fold down. Flip it back over, press in the center, and then these two sides will pop open, and then you just had to push them in, and then you just gotta push. That is called waterbound fold. Okay. Okay. Now you're gonna fold. Then you'll have these two. Now you have these two layers right here. We'll take them and fold them up to the top. And same with the other. Now fold down. Now fold down the tip just a little bit, just like this. Okay. Now put your fingers inside these little holes, and then open up that, and then take one of these out from the bottom, and then do not unfold, and then just slide it right in. Now this is a very, very important part. One reason is because that locks the whole entire plane. Okay, now after you slide those in, flip it over, and then here's the part where you're gonna need this, a ruler, anything that can measure. So you probably want to measure, let's see, about 1.5 inches. Okay, now you got the plane. Now that is how you make a good glider. So what you do is you go back over here, put your fingers inside those holes, and then you throw it. Yeah, it's okay. It's an okay plane. Now you're gonna need your other piece of paper. Now you want to fold it in half this way, the long way, not the fat way. Okay, now you're gonna have this. Unfold, fold it down about 1 inch. So that's where you need this. flip it over, fold the corner to the center. And then you see that they're kind of perfect. See that line right there? Just fold it down right on that line. And then you're gonna see that you're gonna have this little pocket. Well, that's gonna be for later. And then fold the tip up. So, not that it's showing, but just, see, it's not showing, but it is right at the point. Now flip it over, and then fold the corner to the center again. Okay, this is the hardest part of the plane. Now, you're gonna have this. See? Well, what you wanna do is you wanna take the part where you're, now you wanna see these loose part. Wait, no, oh no, not yet, not yet. Now what you wanna do is you wanna unfold these and remember this crease? You gotta fold it like that. That's what you want to do. Okay, now we're at the part. Now we're at the part. Well, now what you want to do is you want to put this part into this pocket. So what you want to do is you want to see the pockets right there. Well, what you want to do is you want to kind of put your finger in there. Just try and get it in there, and then just slide it right in. So basically all you had to do was take the one part that you wanted to put in the pocket is where you wanted to slide it one side, and then right at the corner, and then you just want to slide it right in. Okay, now you're gonna have this. See the pocket part right there over, or you just want to fold it that way so that you can see that part. Okay, now arrow, plane is called the Arrowhead, and it can fly over 150 feet. So now let's just do the wings. Now fold this part down to this part. But you want to cover that tip. Okay, I covered it. Do the other side after you're done. Then you're gonna end up with this. Well, now you just want to curl up the wings just a little. And then you have to have a stretched out arm and then throw it as hard as you can. This is a plane where you want to do that. Well, thanks for watching my video, guys. I hope you liked the 2 planes that I made. And we'll see you next time. Goodbye.